Hi, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper mache bowl out of recycled paper. And the idea of this exercise is to help you cultivate a sense of appreciation and contentment with what you already have. So let's have a look at the materials that we will need today for this exercise.
Half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of PVA glue, 1 cup of water, cling film, recycled paper. I'm using brown paper today, but if you have any paper, the thinner the better. So if you have any recycled paper, that's really cool. Bucket, brush, and a bowl. Step number 1, mix the water, glue, and flour very well in the bucket. Step number 2, wrap some cling film around the outside of the bowl. Step number 3, tear the paper into thin pieces. Step number 4, stick the paper onto the bowl. The more layers, the stronger, so do at least 5 layers. Then let it dry overnight or for many hours. Once it's dry, detach the paper mache from the bowl. Step 5, cut out pieces of paper and write down on each piece of paper your blessings. Fold the pieces of paper and put them in the bowl. Whenever you have a challenging day and need a reminder, pick a little reminder from your bowl and read it to yourself.
I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment down below to let me know which part was your favorite, and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever there's a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.